So, welcome. If you're new here, you're in the right place. Again, we are live right now, so we're going to just be diving into some questions that people have. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you don't have any questions, stick around either way. All right. So we actually got a really good question from Jason Swift. He says, if you had to start from zero and make $5,000 in the next 30 days with only $100 60-second videos, right? And there's so many ways that you can create short form content right now. We actually just did a class inside of our program and we had somebody go in. He said, look, my first video I posted, I got over 900 views. And all he was doing was pointing up at the screen, like literally just pointing to text. And so it's so easy to get thousands of views right now with short form content, which you can turn into leads, and then you can turn those leads into sales. Whereas if you do a long form video or a blog post, you're trying to do something else other than short form content, the chance of you getting thousands of views right away, very, very small. And so you want to think about what is the thing that's going to work the best right now. And the two things that work the best is short form content and talking about things that are trending right now, which the big trend is AI and anything around AI, ChatGPT, AI tools, making money with AI.